Beneath Africa's sands lie secrets so unbelievable. They've been hidden for centuries. A cursed diving spot where 200+ explorers vanished without a trace. A ghost forest where dead trees stand frozen in time for 900 years. And blue stones from outer space that defy all laws of science, but nothing prepares you for number 3. The discovery so shocking it rewrote human history. Warning: what you're about to see will change everything you know about Africa. Smash that subscribe button now, because this journey starts in 3, 2, 1. Number 10. The mystery of Namibia's fairy circles. In the vast and seemingly barren desert of Namibia lies a mystery that has stumped scientists for decades: the Namibian fairy circles. These puzzling formations, each about 30 feet in diameter, appear as perfectly round patches of barren earth surrounded by lush vegetation. Millions of them stretch across 100 miles of the arid grasslands of southern Africa. Numerous theories have attempted to explain their origins, but none have provided a definitive answer. One hypothesis suggests that termites may be responsible, eating away at grass roots and creating these patterns. Others propose that the plants themselves organize in this unusual formation due to competition for water and nutrients. Some even speculate that these circles could hold clues to how life thrives in such a harsh environment. Visitors to the region can explore the fairy circles on foot or by air, marveling at their strange beauty and pondering the mystery behind them. Whether they're the work of nature's unseen forces or something more mystical, they remain one of the most fascinating enigmas of the natural world. Number 9. Homo naledi, a new human species, was discovered in 2013 when a group of cave explorers stumbled upon a discovery that would rewrite the story of human evolution. In a remote chamber of the Rising Star cave system in South Africa, they found a treasure trove of bones belonging to a previously unknown species of human, now known as Homo naledi. The excavation of the chamber proved challenging due to the narrow passageways and jagged rocks, which made it nearly impossible for fully grown adults to maneuver through. As a result, a team of young women small enough to fit inside the cave had to be recruited for the task. The bones of Homo naledi displayed a mix of primitive and advanced features, leading scientists to believe that this species coexisted with our own ancestors, Homo sapiens, and may have played a role in shaping human evolution. What makes Homo naledi unique is its small brain size, believed to be 1/3 the size of ours, while its hands and feet suggest advanced dexterity. This has led researchers to conclude that Homo naledi was capable of complex behaviors and may have had a social structure similar to our own. Despite these discoveries, the exact age of Homo naledi remains uncertain. Radiometric dating places the bones between 236,000 and 335,000 years old, but further research is needed to pinpoint its exact place in human evolution. To this day, scientists remain puzzled about how multiple Homo naledi skeletons ended up in the cave. Some experts suggest the chamber may have been a burial site, while others speculate that the cave could have been a deadly trap, leading to the demise of an entire group of early humans. Number 8. Diving the blue hole of death nestled. Along the coast of the Red Sea in Egypt lies a natural wonder that has captivated the hearts of divers and adventurers for generations: the blue hole. This underwater sinkhole in Dahab boasts a depth of over 100 meters and is surrounded by sheer cliffs that drop off into the crystal-clear waters below. The blue hole is not for the faint of heart. Divers must be certified and experienced in deep diving to explore its depth safely. But for those who dare to take the plunge, the rewards are immense. Schools of colorful fish and vibrant coral can be spotted in the deep blue waters. However, the blue hole's beauty is also laced with tragedy. It has claimed the lives of many inexperienced divers, earning it a reputation as one of the most dangerous diving spots in the world. While there is no official record, some estimate the diving casualties to be as high as 200 in recent years. Among the victims was Yuri Lipsky, a Russian-Israeli diving instructor whose tragic demise became the talk of the diving world in April 2000. Lipsky donned an air tank and a helmet camera, loaded his belt with weights, and plunged into the blue hole, never to return. At depths of over 300 feet, divers are susceptible to nitrogen narcosis, a condition that can cause hallucinations, overconfidence, confusion, and impaired judgment, often leading to fatal mistakes. Despite the risks, the blue hole continues to draw thrill seekers from around the world, eager to test their limits and explore the unknown. It is like a siren's call, proving too irresistible to ignore. Number 7. Creepy dead trees in Deadvley. Deep in the Namib Desert lies a place that looks like something straight out of a surrealistic painting. Here in a barren white clay pan called Deadvley, not Deadflay or Deadfly, stands a haunting landscape of ancient dead trees, scorched black by the relentless African sun. It's hard to imagine now, but just 900 years ago, Deadvley, which translates to dead marsh, was a thriving oasis teeming with life. However, as the climate dried up and the desert expanded, the valley was cut off from its water source by towering sand dunes. The once lush forest died, leaving behind only the skeletons of trees that still stand today as stark silhouettes against the sky, their twisted branches reaching up like bony fingers. The dry climate is so harsh that the trees have not decomposed properly, leaving them preserved as eerie and haunting reminders of the past. This site has drawn photographers, filmmakers, and adventurers from around the world to witness its eerie beauty. The contrast between the white clay pan and the blackened trees creates a dramatic, otherworldly atmosphere, and the lack of vegetation makes it feel like a desolate, forgotten place. Number 6. Dinosaur unearthed in Zimbabwe. In the remote wilderness of Zimbabwe, a team of scientists embarked on 2 expeditions in 2017 and 2019, uncovering the remains of Africa's oldest dinosaur, the Unbirrhosaurus rothii. This fascinating discovery marked a significant breakthrough in paleontology. The name Unbirrhosaurus comes from the local Shona language, reflecting the region where the fossils were found. The species name, Ryathi, honors paleontologist Michael Rath, who first reported fossils in the area. The Unbirrhosaurus rothii is believed to have roamed Earth over 230 million years ago during the Triassic period, not Jurassic. It was a small, herbivorous dinosaur, measuring about 6 feet in length and weighing around 60 pounds. Its slender body and long neck allowed it to reach vegetation in hard-to-access places. While the discovery of Unbirrhosaurus rothii is exciting, researchers are even more thrilled by its potential to reveal new insights into Africa's prehistoric past. The finding suggests Zimbabwe was once home to a diverse range of dinosaurs, and further exploration could yield even more remarkable discoveries. Number 5. The Eye of the Sahara. The Richat structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara or the Blue Eye of the Sahara, is a geological marvel located in the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert in Mauritania. This stunning landmark is a natural wonder that has puzzled scientists and intrigued adventurers for decades. The circular formation measures approximately 50 kilometers in diameter, making it one of the largest and most striking structures visible from space. At its center lies a raised plateau standing over 600 feet above the desert floor. Surrounding the plateau are concentric rings of rock, forming ridges and valleys that give the structure the appearance of a giant bullseye. The rock layers consist of ancient sedimentary rocks, including sandstone and limestone. Scientists believe the structure was formed through a combination of volcanic activity and erosion, which gradually exposed the different layers of rock, creating its unique circular pattern. However, some have proposed alternative theories about its origin. A few speculate that it could be the remains of the lost city of Atlantis, as described by the Greek philosopher Plato. While there is no concrete evidence to support this theory, the possibility remains intriguing to many. The Richat structure's concentric rings and symmetrical shape have even led some to suggest it was a man-made construction. Whether it is a natural formation or the remnants of a lost civilization, the Richat structure continues to captivate the imagination of people around the world. Number 4. Alien sky blue stones. Imagine holding in your hand a stone said to have come from the heavens. This is the story of the strange blue stones that Italian geologist and archaeologist Angelo Pittoni obtained from a Fula chief in Sierra Leone, West Africa, in 1990. According to the tribe, the stones were given to them by extraterrestrial visitors from the sky. The mysterious stones were unlike anything Pittoni had ever seen. When he returned to Europe and sent them to research laboratories for testing, scientists discovered that they were unique and did not match any known mineral. Despite extensive analysis, researchers could not explain the stone's vibrant blue color. Even when a piece was ground into fine particles and viewed under a microscope, the blue hue disappeared. Extreme heat and acid also failed to alter or break apart the stones. Pitoni believed the blue stone resembled pure turquoise, like that found on the chest pieces of Egyptian priests. He even called it the stone of heaven, a phrase suggesting it was unlike any other gemstone known to man. So where did they come from? Were they truly a gift from extraterrestrial visitors, or do they hold secrets from ancient civilizations long forgotten? Number 3. The mysterious Liedenberg heads. In 1957, a young boy named Carl Ludwig von Betzing made a groundbreaking archaeological discovery while playing on his father's farm in Liedenberg, South Africa. He stumbled upon peculiar pieces of pottery in the soil, unaware that he had just uncovered the Liedenberg heads, some of the earliest known examples of Iron Age art in the Southern Hemisphere. Initially fragmented and scattered, the artifacts were carefully excavated and later reconstructed at the University of Cape Town. In total, 7 heads were restored, 2 large and 5 small. 6 of them depict human-like features, while the 7th bears striking animalistic traits. Notably, 4 of the smaller heads share similar size and design, suggesting they were crafted as a set. Through carbon dating, the heads were traced back to around 490 AD. Archaeologists believe they were used for ceremonial purposes by early Iron Age communities, as the smaller heads feature holes on the sides, likely used to attach them to poles or costumes during rituals. Today, these remarkable artifacts are displayed at the South African Museum in Cape Town, offering a glimpse into ancient African artistry and tradition. Number 2. The Taung Childen. 1924, quarrymen working in Buxton Lime Works near Taung, South Africa, made an astonishing discovery that would change the course of human history. While excavating limestone deposits, they uncovered a small skull belonging to a child. The skull was brought to the attention of Raymond Dart, an anatomist and anthropologist, who immediately recognized its significance. Dart theorized that the fossilized remains belonged to a hominin species, an early human ancestor that lived approximately 2.8 million years ago. He named the new species Australopithecus africanus, meaning southern ape of Africa. At the time of the Taung child's discovery, most scientists believed early human ancestors originated in Europe. However, this fossil challenged that assumption, as it was the first early human fossil found in Africa. The discovery provided crucial evidence that Africa was the birthplace of humankind, supporting the out-of-Africa theory. This theory states that modern humans evolved in Africa before migrating to other parts of the world. The Taung child not only confirmed this idea, but also displayed significant anatomical features, including a brain size and teeth similar to apes, yet a skull and dental arch resembling humans. This combination suggested an intermediate form between apes and humans. Between 1936 and 1947, several more Australopithecus fossils were unearthed in South Africa, this time belonging to adult specimens. These discoveries further supported Dart's claim that the Taung child was indeed an early human ancestor. Today, the Taung child is revered as a cornerstone of human evolutionary history. Its discovery revolutionized paleoanthropology forever, altering our understanding of where we came from and how we evolved. The fossil remains a key piece of evidence in tracing the origins of humanity. Number 1. The untouched rainforest of Mozambique atop Mount Liko in northern Mozambique, some 700 meters above sea level, lies a hidden rainforest that very few have had the pleasure of seeing. This secret ecosystem, protected by a steep circle of rock, has remained untouched by humans for centuries, making it a remarkable discovery for scientists. Interestingly, while locals knew about the mountain, the forest itself was only discovered in 2012 by biologist Julian Bayliss, who spotted it on satellite imagery. However, it wasn't until 2017 that he revealed his groundbreaking discovery to the world. What makes this rainforest so unique is that it has experienced only natural disturbances such as droughts over the centuries rather than human interference. As a result, it is home to a vast array of plants and animals that have adapted to this pristine environment, providing scientists with valuable insights into the past and future of our natural world. The discovery of this hidden rainforest is an incredible find, proving that there are still so many secrets waiting to be uncovered in nature. We hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.